friends, it's me Yas Nandini. Welcome back to our channel MCM, a middle class mom. Hope you all are doing well. You have seen the thumbnail, right? Pumpkin. Using this pumpkin, generally we prepare some curries, salads, or some delicious sweets like halwa. Now today, let's prepare something new variety of recipe. We can have this as breakfast or as snacks during evening times or also as dinner. Pumpkin has many health benefits. By having this, it boosts our immunity level. At present situation, it's very important to all of us. Also, due to the vitamin A present in it, it improves our eye vision. Also, it helps in the weight loss management. Then, let's get into the recipe and see how to prepare them. You to watch the video completely, and if you like, give me a thumbs up, share, comment, and if anyone watching our channel for the first time, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the notifications. Pumpkin cheese burst. Ingredients are wheat flour 1 cup, milk 1/4 cup, salt half teaspoon and sugar 1 teaspoon. Firstly, into 1 tablespoon of lukewarm water, add 1 teaspoon of sugar and melt it. When it melts, add 1 teaspoon of dry yeast and mix well. Close the lid and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now peel off the skin of pumpkin, cut into pieces and boil them for about 10 minutes, adding little salt. Then mash them well into a fine paste and divide this into 2 equal parts. One is for stuffing and the other part is for making dough. Now into a bowl, add 1 cup of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix well. Then add the yeast mixture and mix well. Now add the mashed pumpkin and combine it well in the flour. Now start adding milk in batches little by little and knead the dough. We should not add the entire milk at once. As the pumpkin has water content, we should add milk accordingly. Dough should not be either sticky or should not be hard. Knead it into a soft dough. Here you can use maida instead of wheat flour too. Maida doesn't need this quantity of milk as wheat flour and multigrain atta absorbs more water than maida. So add accordingly. Now sprinkle some flour and knead the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes. Buns will be more softer and fluffier when we knead it well. Now add 2 teaspoons of salted butter and knead this well for about 5 minutes. Here you can use baking powder or instead of yeast. If you use the baking powder, you can bake directly after kneading the dough well. Now put the dough into a greased bowl and cover it with a plastic and keep it aside for an hour. After 1 hour, you can see the dough has doubled in its size. Now again sprinkle some flour and knead it well for about 5 minutes more. Now divide this into 4 equal parts and keep them aside. Here using 1 cup of flour we can make 4 medium size buns. Now for stuffing, into the pumpkin paste add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder and 2 tablespoons of grated cheese and mix well and keep them aside. Now flatten the dough and keep this mixture at the center and on the top add some more cheese of 1 tablespoon and now make it into a ball shape. Now to make this into the pumpkin shape, I have taken some threads and put them into the plastic cover and sprinkle some flour. As the dough sticks to the thread, I have done this process. Now keep it on the flat surface and place this stuffed dough on it and shape it as I have shown here. You can skip this entire process and you can bake directly. To make it as a pumpkin shape, I have done all this process. Now finally make a knot over there and cut the extra portion of the thread. Prepare all this in the same way. Here I have cut the pumpkin skin and used it as a stem over it. Now place all this into a greased mold and keep them aside for 10 more minutes by placing a wet cloth over them. Now preheat a vessel using the salt at the bottom for 7 minutes and place these into them and bake for about 30 minutes on low flame. After 13 minutes, you can check with a toothpick or fork, and if it has done, you can switch off the flame. Brush little oil over them. Pumpkin cheese bursts are almost ready. Now let them cool down a little and cut down the threads and remove. As we have baked them in a vessel, we get the color only at the bottom side. If we bake them in an oven, then we can get the perfect color at the top side too. Yummy cheesy buns are ready with the perfect texture. These are soft and fluffy. You to try the recipe and let me know through the comments and also through the Instagram post. We'll be back again with a new video. Until then, see you.